In this video, I'll show you how to create an embedded form in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the fifth option, which is Forms. Now, below Forms, click on Other Forms. That will take you to the Other Forms section. From here, you want to scroll down. And in here, you will find the first option, which is Embedded Form. Now, click on Embedded Form. Now, that will take you to set up your embedded form, and from here, you want to set a form name. Let's say that this will be our sign-up form. At the bottom, you want to choose your audience, and then click on the button to continue to the builder. Now, once you were on the builder, this is where you can add your form fields. So on the navigation panel on the left-hand side, if you click on form fields, in here, if you want to add the phone number, just simply toggle it on. Let's say you also want to add the first name and last name. On the left-hand side, you will see these 6 dots, and if you hold and drag, you can change the order of the fields. If you want to unselect a field, then just simply turn it off. And once you're done, head over to the top and left corner and click on the arrow going to the left. Now at the bottom, we have here our settings. On the settings section, this is where you can change your subscribe or your form title. So instead of subscribe, let's say sign up to our campaign. On the width, you can change this. This will be set to pixels. Let's say you want to increase the width like 800, and it will automatically change to that. If you do want to make it a bit smaller or a bit thinner, you can decrease the width to 500 and even go up to 200. Now, if you do have your CSS styles, in here you can disable all of the JavaScript, the format options, as well as the archive link. On the tags in here, you can choose where you get the responses from. So any tags you choose here will automatically be applied to form contacts. On the referral badge, you can add a referral badge and it will look exactly like this. It will let the subscribers know that this is powered by Mailchimp. At the top, you can change the badge style to either light or dark. And once you are ready with your embedded form, just simply head over to the top and right corner and click on the continue button. Now that will take you to the section wherein you can start adding your embedded form. So in here, this will be the embedded form code. From here, you can simply highlight the whole code and copy, or at the top and the right corner, you can simply copy the code and this will work within your website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.